Scope of sociology. Why one should study sociology. The scientific study of society, interpersonal connections, and interactions is known as sociology. It is a broad discipline that involves human interactions, theoretical research, structure, and functioning of human society. Sociology is an interdisciplinary subject. Regardless of the degree level B or MA, its application is vast. The commercial and governmental sectors both provide a variety of options. The relationship between people and society is the starting point for sociology, which then broadens to include social institutions that have an influence on our lives and the variables that shape how well they operate. It aims to clarify how these institutions were created by people, how people view them, and what function they serve in our lives. It is the methodical investigation of society. It investigates how human civilization functions as a unit. Sociology is to investigate how societies develop, endure, and finally change. Its scope includes the study of social institutions, social processes, and social groupings. The focus of sociology is primarily on social issue analysis, then on providing normative recommendations for their resolution. The study of society in its whole gives details about scope of social change. Sociology aims to investigate how societies form, maintain, and then change. It investigates society as a whole, as an interrelated system. It examines how society and people interact with one another, studying social institutions, social processes, and social groupings are all included in its scope. The focus of sociology is more on social issue analysis than it is on offering morally correct answers to such problems. Scope of sociology. Schools of thought. The term scope refers to the topic or the study regions. As a social science, sociology has distinct parameters regarding the scope of sociology. There are two schools of thought. Schools of thought. 1. Synthetic school, and 2. Specialist school. Synthetic school. Sociologists, including Ginsberg, Durkheim, Kant, Sorkin, Spencer, F. Ward, and L.T. Hobhouse advocate the synthetic school, as stated by this institution. The primary opinions are as follows. Sociology is a broad and methodical branch of social science. Sociology has a very broad scope. Other social sciences must assist sociology. It is a social science synthesis. Sociology and other social sciences are intimately connected. Specialist school. Sociologists, including F. Tönnies, von Wise, Max Weber, Vierkant, and George Simmel advocates this specialist school. Sociology investigates the numerous kinds of social connections. The field of sociology has a relatively constrained and limited scope. Sociology examines particular types of human relationships. Sociology does not have to examine every occurrence related to social science. Simmel contends that social science, in general, should approach social interactions from a variety of perspectives. Nature and scope of sociology. Key elements. Sociology is an empirical field that examines rational arguments to investigate social phenomena, social structures, and how people behave in these environments. Sociology has developed as a pure science and should not be regarded as an applied science. It is an abstract field like mathematics or chemistry. This is due to the fact that it examines how society functions from a variety of angles and exposes patterns that are widespread among people. Additionally, as it examines all people as a whole rather than just a few, it is a generalizing field of research. It differs from social science in that it is fundamentally focused on human existence and interpersonal relationships. Sociology's scope, focus areas, understanding the fields of study that sociology as a profession encompasses, is crucial for understanding the field's scope and career prospects. The following are the main parts of sociology. 1. Societal organizations. 2. Culture. And 3. Population. Societal organizations. The study of social institutions includes topics like marriage, families, kinship, religion, and other social institutions. This area includes both fieldwork and case studies on these institutions, examining how they developed and were born in different regions of the world. Culture. One of the main fields of sociological inquiry is culture. Its development, significant movements, and comprehension of cultural relations are highly relevant in the modern domains of cultural studies on social movements and change that had a significant impact on the evolution of the concept of culture are also included in this issue. Population. Studies on a variety of population-related topics are covered in this field of study, including case studies on different nations' population rise and decline, as well as statistical research on the population boom. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.